Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add fuzzy skin in the Bambu Studio slicer. Now, fuzzy skin in Bambu Studio is a specialized setting that creates a rough, textured finish on the 3D prints to hide layer lines, conceal seams, and improve grip. It works by intentionally introducing random rapid back and forth movements or jitter to the nozzle while printing the outer walls and creating a matte or textured aesthetic. Now to apply that to your pieces, you then want to click on one of your pieces right here. In my case, I'm going to be applying the fuzzy skin on the left model that I have. From there, just click on the others button, scroll down, and then you have the special category. From here, you have the fuzzy skin option. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing the contour and hole. Of course, you can choose anything you want to. You have your fuzzy skin point distance and the skin thickness. In my case, I'm just going to use the default settings. Once again, you can edit this just as you like. And if we click on the preview button, we can then see that it will automatically apply the fuzzy skin texture onto our 3D models. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.